Hey friends, I am Chaya Kothari, a certified financial planner with Max Life since 18 years. Today we will talk about financial planning pyramid. Friends, do you know pyramids are the strongest structures of the world? No natural calamities can destroy the pyramids. So if you do your financial planning the way pyramids are made, you are assured to achieve your goals. Pyramids always stand stable and tall because of its strongest and widest base. So, firstly, lay the strong base of your financial planning pyramid. The strong base of financial planning pyramid is nothing else but protection. The question arises here, what to protect? Income. First and foremost, you have to protect your income. As a responsible breadwinner of the family, you are committed to self and the family that no matter what, I am always there to protect you. You earn to fulfill the basic needs of the family, so you have to protect your income first. Next comes why to protect. This COVID 19 has proved that uncertainty supersedes. No one was aware of such panic situation can arise in the life. So it is necessary and mandatory to protect against any such eventuality, uncertainty and emergency. Just visualize your own house. While buying your first house, what was the thought process you have undergone? सर पे एक छत हो ताकि खुद को और फैमिली को प्रोटेक्ट कर सके, सर्दी धूप और बारिश में सबको सुरक्षित रख सके. बट कैन यू बिल्ड योर हाउस विदाउट फाउंडेशन? कैन यू डायरेक्टली बिल्ड द वॉल्स और lay the rooftop first? Answer is no. Your house can be your sweet home only if it has strong foundation which protects you and your loved ones against outside forces. जैसे फैमिली को घर में धूप सर्दी बारिश से प्रोटेक्शन दिया, वैसे ही इवेंचुअलिटी लाइक डिसेबिलिटी डिसमेंबरमेंट एंड डेथ के सामने भी तो प्रोटेक्शन देना पड़ेगा, as no one knows when such eventuality attacks. Moreover, no one knows date of death. Next is how much to protect. There are many scientific methods to check protection need: human life value approach, income replacement, etc. Last comes how to protect. Very simple. Through term life insurance, health insurance, critical illness, accident insurance, cancer insurance, and such other plans. Take adequate insurance to safeguard your family so they can continue the same standard of living in case of your untimely sudden exit from their life. After base, next comes saving stage. That may be called as risk-free growth stage. Under this stage, main motto is to build funds for the future needs. These future needs may be children's education, their wedding, and your personal retirement. These are the fixed needs without any ifs and buts. Here, largely people invest in small saving schemes, post office, etc., and mainly in fixed deposits, which carries a risk of reduced rate of interest. So, guaranteed lifetime income, other endowment plans stands better option in this segment to receive assured money to fulfill your particular goals. Now, let's talk about level 3, growth. This area involves some risk. It consists of unit linked plans, mutual funds, etc. But here, market volatility risk is involved. Now, suppose you have invested in these products and unfortunately you are forced to withdraw in this volatile situation, then the purpose surely gets defeated. However, if you have planned enough under risk-free segment, it enhances your holding capacity. It will give you cushion and time to wait till market stabilized and you can earn inflation beating long-term returns. Next level of financial pyramid is risk, which is also known as high growth segment. Under this, all high risk, high return products like real estate, gold, direct equity investments are covered. This segment should come into picture once you have secured all your basic needs under other levels of financial pyramid. Only and only surplus money should be invested under this segment. Generally, it has been observed that people start in reverse manner. They build the pyramid upside down, starting first from risk segment without building strong foundation. Suppose you have blocked your investment only in high risk segment like real estate to earn rental income, but it goes on a toes due to such pandemic, so big loss. Maybe you have invested in equity market to get higher returns, but due to market volatility, you are stuck. Then naturally, your financial pyramid collapses. Again, big loss. No goals achieved in time. So always take calculative risk for wealth creation, by which you can leave the legacy and also do the philanthropy once all your basic needs are addressed and planned for. Friends, here keep one thing in mind: castles can never be built in air. So, naturally, the foundation is first and must. You can't jump to invest in high risk products before securing the family financially. So, friends, all the best to create complete, strong, and balanced financial pyramid which keeps your finances in proper shape. Thank you. Goodbye. Stay safe.